To export Debank historical data, start by understanding what Debank is and the importance of its historical data. Debank is a popular platform used for tracking and managing cryptocurrency portfolios and transactions. Exporting historical data allows users to analyze their financial performance, make informed investment decisions, and maintain accurate records. First, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once logged in, access the dashboard where you can view your portfolio and transaction history. Look for the export option, usually found at the top right corner of the page or under the settings menu. Select the export option and choose the type of data you want to export, such as transaction history, portfolio value, or wallet balances. You can also choose the time period for which you want to export the data, including the start and end dates. Next, select the format in which you want to export the data, such as CSV or Excel. CSV is a common format that can be easily imported into spreadsheet software like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs and click the Export button. Debank will then generate a file containing your historical data, which you can download and save to your computer. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet software to analyze and visualize your data. When analyzing your historical data, look for trends and patterns in your transactions and portfolio performance. This can help you identify areas for improvement and make more informed investment decisions. You can also use the data to track your progress over time and make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed. Best practices for exporting Debank historical data include regularly backing up your data to prevent loss, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to secure your account, and keeping your data organized and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily export and analyze your Debank historical data and make more informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments.